What's going on, everybody? Before we get started with today's video, I want to thank y'all for joining me. Before we get going, apparently every time I say it's the Swolewaver on YouTube, or I call myself the Swolewaver on YouTube, people come with all this, all right? Now, when I say that, I don't say I'm the Swolewaver for no reason. I've addressed this in the past, so all my old subscribers seen this before. So I'm gonna let you new subscribers in on the same shit I said back then. I'm the Swolewaver on YouTube, hands down. It's just the bottom line. I know you got your favorite wavers who went to the gym. They just got into fitness a few years ago and whatnot. They got a little size on them and y'all going crazy. But please keep in mind that I've been doing this shit for over 10 years now. So with that being said, fitness is what I do. Waving is secondary. Fitness is what I do. Waving is secondary. Okay? Now, I've seen a lot of wavers out here on their channels or whatnot, and don't get me wrong, a few of them are in shape. And I'm giving props out to them because nobody makes you go to the gym and nobody makes you eat right and stuff like that. So I give a salute and props to them for doing that. But when I say I'm the Swolewaver on YouTube, it's because I am, and I put in that work. While y'all sleeping, I'm at the gym. When y'all eating bullshit for dinner and bullshit for lunch, I'm eating clean. So I stand behind the title I gave myself, Swolewaver. And I even put a few pictures up there for y'all. I'm 6'2", 230 pounds, about 15% to 18% body fat. All right, so y'all take a look at these pictures. Then after that, we're gonna get into the damn video. Back to business. I'm doing this video on how I brush my hair for my 360 swirl. Subscriber by the name of Infamous Nova asked, can I do a video on my angles for my swirl? And that's what this is. So Infamous Nova, this video for you, bro. I hope this helps you. All right, so let me go ahead and unrag right now so I can show you what. I don't do slow unrags. I just rip the shit off. No need for that pretty stuff. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all the back of my head. So he asked about my swirl and my angles for it. So this is me right now. All right, so let me show you what I do for the swirl, bro. You can use I'm not gonna tell you what to do. I'm just showing you my way because everybody's head isn't shaped the same way. So the way I'm brushing my hair may not be the exact angles for your head because our heads are not shaped the same. So be cautious of when somebody tell you you need to brush this way and brush that way, because I guarantee y'all head ain't shaped the same. All right. So I'm showing you what I do for mine. I'll go ahead and start with my curve brush. So before I even start brushing anything, I take a look at how my swirl is, how it's laid down before I get to going. So I go over it with my fingers a few times, just so I can prepare in my mind how I'm about to attack this swirl with this brush session. And then also what I do, a little tip for y'all, is I know everybody got pictures of in their phone of their waves if you kind of serious about it. And you want to keep up with how your hair is progressing. So what I would do is I would take pictures of my hair and I will look at my hair to see which way is laying down. And then I'll basically game plan by looking at the picture to see how I'm gonna brush it out. Simple, put it like that. All right. So what I'm gonna do, when I get here, I always start on my weaker side first. My right side is my weak side. You see, my right side is my weak side. And when I'm focusing on my crown, that's all I'm focusing on. I'm just hitting this crown. So when I do my crown, I do short strokes, man. Short strokes. I don't bring the brush all the way down here. I don't care about this. Right now, I'm focusing all on the crown. That's all I'm doing. So I'll bring it down here. When I'm on this side, I just bring the hair straight down here. I don't curve my brush. I don't have to do that. I don't curve it. I just bring the hair straight down. Straight down over here. Then when I get to this side right here, I take my brush, put it in the crown, and I brush straight up. I brush my hair straight up. You probably wonder how come I don't come this way, because when I'm brushing the rest of my head, that's when I'll come and brush it over like that. But we focusing on crown right now, not the rest of it. I don't care about this right here right now. We focusing on the crown. So I put my brush here and I go straight up. The tip of my brush is in that crown. I'm going straight up. All right. After I do that, I'm taking that brush, putting it right. Hope y'all can see this. I'm putting it right here. And that hair that I brushed straight up, I'm bringing it over. I'm bringing it over. It's not going to affect none of this right here because I ain't here. I'm all right here in this little area. Once I brush it over for a few strokes, I come back on this side and I brush it down. I brush it down. That's all I do. But as you can see, my method works for me. It may not work for you, but it works for me. So again, I'll go over this one more time for you. Focusing only on the crown angles. So again, I always start from my weak side. I bring my brush here. I'm coming straight down in this little section. Straight down. I hit that for a few. I switch the brush to my left hand. Put that brush right here. And I'm straight up with it. Straight up with it. I don't take it here. I stop right here to about the first or second wave at the top. Stop it right there. Take the brush in my right hand. I'm right here with it. That hair that I brushed to the top, all I'm doing is moving it over to the side. Moving it over to the side. That's all I'm doing. I hit that for a few, and then I come back down here, and the hair that I just moved over to the side, I brush it back down. So this is sort of like, it's a box shape. So it's boom. Then I come over here, up. Then I come over here, over. So boom, up, over. That's all I'm doing. Down, up, over. Down, up, over. My crown, even though it's a swirl, I'm brushing it like in a box. I'm brushing it in a box. That's all I do on my crown. I brush it in a small box, and I just hit my crown that way. As far as like the rest of my head go, after I work on my crown, maybe about 20 minutes, And then that's when I'll attack the rest of my hair. That's when I'll do the rest. I don't do nothing fancy. That's all I do, man. So I hope this video helped you out. Hope it was simple, straight to the point. And that's how my crown looking right now, bro. Hope that helped you. And I also got another crown tip for y'all, but I gotta let my hair grow a little bit so y'all can see, because I already did what I was gonna show y'all before I start this video. So I gotta let my crown grow a little bit more so y'all can see how I maintain that bad boy and keep that crown tight. All right, so with that being said, I'm gonna let y'all be on y'all way. Follow me on social media, Facebook, and I got 2 IG accounts. I got one for fitness and I got one for waves. The link will be in the description. Again, thank you all for watching. It's Swolewaver, the Swolewaver Wave on YouTube. Whether you like it or not, nigga. Y'all have a good one.